Okay guys, I'm back with book number 4 and the multiple journals that I was making. This one is Family. Um, it's 4 1/4 by 8 1/2. This is also from the Heirloom Stack by Die Cuts with a View. I've sewn 2 layers of the paper together to make the cover so that it was sturdier. I've got some cheesecloth, some lace, some flatback pearls, a lace trim. I just thought this one was really cute. I've got a tuck here in the front and with a tag, a journal card, sewn some crochet trim down the side. You can see how different these papers are in this collection. Just really neat. Got some dictionary page, coffee dyed paper, and here's the pocket with the journaling card, tag, small journaling card. It's our little corner flip, and the lace cluster. That's just an altered paper clip. Slide that on the pocket. Coffee dyed doily, some music paper with coffee dye printed on the back. Here's some coffee dyed graph paper. This particular one did not run. This is a paper from the collection. A short music page, a lunch bag that I've cut the bottom off and opened up, pressed out, and just included it in the signature. Made a couple of pockets with coffee dyed paper inside. Here's some green bar paper. I call it something different every time I do a video. I'm gonna have to look up what it's actually called. We always called this green bar when I was working as an accountant. So the garden book, a little flip over, but I got this idea from A Trace of Sparkle, Jennifer. A couple envelopes, a little girl there, a tiny bow, some bling, some crochet trim. This is just paper clipped over the top of the page so it can be relocated. Lace trim there. Another coffee dyed number 10 envelope that's been included in the signature. I folded over an inch on the side to make the tuck, sewn all the way around the entire envelope before I put it in the signature. And just a little tag on this side. Here's the center. These are sewn on my sewing machine, so they're nice and sturdy and durable. That's the other side of that number 10 envelope with the tag and the tuck. Belly band with a little journal card. I've made a little paper pad with some coffee dyed paper. There's the garden book. The pineapple. That's cool. My daughter loves pineapples. The other part of the green bar, the paper pad, with coffee dyed paper inside. You can get a lot of stuff in here. This is a good size envelope. The short music page, another piece from the collection. Coffee dyed paper. Oh, it's coffee dyed graph paper. This is just the printout from Pixabay. Coffee dyed doily. The banner cluster with some cutoffs from the collection. This and this are from the same page. It's quite a collection. I've just used some coffee book pages and some lace trim at the top. Another journal card, dictionary page, and then the last tuck has a tag, and there's a journal booklet inside and a couple of smaller journal cards. Then we have the tall TN with the tall tag and on the back. That's on the back page, and then the back cover. So if you're interested in any of these, all of the information will be in the description box below. As far as this was following a tutorial by Gail Agostinelli, and if you want to know about the flip overs and all that will be in the description, as well as a link to my Etsy. All of the these 4 will be available in my Etsy shop by the time I upload this video. So thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you soon.